Today's job is to fit one of these. It's called a chimney pot cowl or a chimney pot cover. Now this stops birds from nesting in your chimneys, and also because our chimneys are disused, we get rainwater going down the chimney, and because we don't light a fire it never dries out, so we've got damp issues. So this will stop any rainwater getting down the chimney. It'll also limit the amount of wind that whistles down the chimney too. The only tool we're going to need for this job is an 8mm socket, and that's to tighten up the nut on the Jubilee clip that goes round it. Now I bought these off Amazon. They were under £20 each, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to get some for yourself. Right, it was too difficult trying to film up the ladder on the chimney, so I'll demonstrate how the cowl goes on this piece of waste pipe. Okay, so you get your cowl, you unfold the legs, you sit it on top of the chimney. Fold the legs in. And then you fold them up. Like that. And that stops the Jubilee clip from slipping down. You get your Jubilee clip. It rounds all the legs. And you feed it in. And you fold the little bolt over so the thread engages in the notches in the strap. And then just take your socket and just tighten it up onto the chimney. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple job really. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.